Meaning of heretofore.
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 Heretofore. The word heretofore is an adverb that means up until now or before now. It is often used in legal or formal contexts to reference something that has occurred in the past. For example, heretofore, we have never encountered such a challenging problem. In essence, it refers to something that was true or happened in the past but is no longer the case. Its usage can give context to a situation or provide a historical perspective on a topic. Overall, heretofore is a term used to reference a previous state, event, or condition.